with different dynamics. My name is Jessica, and I have an exciting activity for us today. I love to put on music and dance around my house. In fact, it's a great activity for the entire family. But today we're going to fancy that up just a little bit with a simple movement activity that I like to call leading with your elbow. All you have to do is ask your family one simple question. What would it look like if you led with your elbow? Then put on your favorite tunes and go. What if we switched elbows? What if we picked a different part of our body to lead our movement? You might feel a little bit silly, but it's a lot of fun when everyone feels a little silly together. If you have someone in your family with limited mobility, this activity can be easily adapted. Maybe the elbow isn't the right body part to start with. Maybe we should start with the toe or the head. Remember, it's all about what we can do, and movement's gonna look and feel different for everyone. Thank you for tuning into the Music Workshop with Different Dynamics.